Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever posted an Instagram story and found that it automatically saves to your gallery, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable that feature so your stories won't be saved to your phone's gallery anymore. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on your story at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your story options. Step 3. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right of your screen. This opens your settings. Step 4. From the settings menu, tap on Story to access all the options related to your Instagram stories. Step 5. Now, scroll down to find the option labeled Save Story to Gallery. To disable it, simply toggle this option off. This will stop Instagram from automatically saving your stories to your device's gallery. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the setting that saves your Instagram stories to your gallery. This is a great way to keep your gallery clean and only save the content you want to keep. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips. See you in the next one.